Garden tour today. It's almost the end of May. This is a ledge outcropping that was covered in wild blackberry vine. Here are some of the roots that I'm still digging up. So it's been a multi-year project. I planted 3 apple trees and 1 blueberry bush last year. I transplanted catnip right here, and I'm putting in 2 more blueberry bushes. I just put 1 in, but I'm going to show you my tactic. Over here we have a big pile of dirt that came from where the herb garden is now, and I've been picking away at that. So I'm going to get dirt from over there, because planting on top of ledge is tough, so you have to add dirt on top. And I'll show you how I do it. I'm relatively new to gardening. I didn't start till 2020, and I'm fortunate to have the Kubota. It's very convenient when you have a larger piece of land. We have a few acres here. It helps me get around, and I do it pretty much all by myself, so I have to be creative because I have limitations on, what I can lift. I like to use a plastic sled instead of a wheelbarrow. It eliminates the lifting into the wheelbarrow. It's easy to scoop onto the sled and drag the sled. I have dragged rocks, boulders, bags of mulch, bags of stone, and dirt. So let's move some dirt. Oh, and I use a hoe. The hoe is my favorite tool. Could use a shovel, but I just scoop it. In New Hampshire, between ledge and rocks, digging holes is a challenge. So what I've been doing is I have been going into the ground a little bit. I put the plants on top, then I will backfill with new dirt. And eventually I'll be adding dirt over this whole garden area with additional plants and mulch. So now I'm just getting the plants in, using the hoe, loosening up all around the bottom here. This is the line of where the garden bed will be, so I'm going to come back, scrape it. Give the hole a little water. The first one came out nice and easy from the pot. Hopefully this one will. Oh, good. It's really stiff. So there's not much I can do to loosen that. It's been in the pot for a while. You step back and take a look. Let's see. Just compacting this down around here a little bit just to hold it upright. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. And then the reason why the sled is so good, I can just pull it over, kind of dump the whole thing up to do another load. The hoe is a great tool. getting dirt all around the root ball. And then I will be coming back to add more dirt, soil to the whole garden bed. But right now I wanted to get these in, can rest, get watered, be in place. So this is the overall garden. In between these, I'm going to dig up the rest of the greenery, backfill, and add more plants. I'm going to leave those two. I'm going to come down like this, come up to this tree, and then that'll be one planting bed. Need some more plants in here. Belle got into that catnip and broke some of it off. There's already a butterfly on the plant, on the blueberry. Wow. Well, that was cool. Thanks for watching this episode of In the Garden, where I show you how to move some dirt on a plastic sled. Check out the other playlists of In the Kitchen, general episodes where we're usually out and about traveling or daily life, and also the RV tips playlist. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Belle's got a tough life.